Trash talk! Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and as you can see, it's me. No, but if you're not new to my channel, you know usually when I sit in front of shoeboxes, what I'm reviewing. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Also, turn on your post notifications so that way when I post a video, you guys know about it. So for those who are returning, I thank you, and you know what this means. Obviously, you saw the title as well. This is a shoe unboxing, and I am really excited to show you these. Some of you may know I love to collect Jordan 1's, and this is probably my 9th or 10th pair. Wait. So my 9th pair of Jordan 1's, and I'm super excited to share with you what they look like and which ones I got. Also, this is probably going to be the shoe I wear on my birthday, so kind of excited about that. So let's get into it. So here's the front. Bam! So these are them. What are they called? Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG White Black Vote. When I wrote the guy who gave them to me, he said they're called like Vote Yellow. Wait, what did he say? He called them the Vote Gold 1s, so Vote Gold 1s it is. So yeah, so what I'm wearing on my birthday, the suit is actually this lime green color, and if you don't know, lime green is one of my favorite colors besides black. I love any shade of black, shade of gray, and mostly like bright neon lime green. So yeah, I'm really happy that I was able to get these. Oh, that's so cool. So this is the tongue part. It's like a foam part, and it has lime green stitching, and it also has a lime green Nike Air, as you can see there. The front of it is like a cream color. Also comes with another pair of laces. I'm actually super excited to wear them. I can't wait to wear them on my birthday. I really like them because they have that lime green in it. Plus another pair of 1's added to my collection. I don't know how I'm gonna lace them up yet, but I think I'm just gonna leave the cream laces in because my suit is kind of like lime green, and I may wear like a creamish shirt underneath it. So pretty excited. I was actually really nervous because he didn't have my size at first. He kept saying 8.5, 8.5, and I was like, I don't wear 8.5, and I hate wearing shoes bigger than what I'm supposed to get. Sometimes I do it just because I know they may last a little longer, but I don't think my feet are gonna grow anytime soon. Really glad I was able to get these in a size 8, which is my true size. Pretty cool. It's lime green in the inside as well. Yeah. So it's a very simple shoe unboxing. I want to keep it nice and cute. I actually want to do a lookbook for you guys. Maybe like styling these with 3 different outfits. So stay tuned, and yeah, hopefully you guys enjoy. As always guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure you subscribe if you haven't already. Also hit that notification bell so that when I post a video you know about it. And please come back, drop a comment, show some love. Let me know if you like these, if you cop these, which ones you getting next. I know there's some in the future that I want. I want the release of the turbo greens, and there's also one that's coming out like around 420 that I think I want to get. So hit me up, let me know what's going on, and as always guys, I'm out.